Hello Aqua friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and today we're going to do a loose atmospheric spring flower scene. So I'm wetting my paper really well, then I'm using some magnesium blue and some ochre pink. I do want gravity to help move the paint around, so I'm just putting my paper towel under my board. Okay, so as I dab it on, I'm just loosely looking at this reference photo and coming up with my own version to get the same sort of feel. Little bit of quinacridone red in that corner just to have a little bit more of a pop of pink. Now you could always take your propped up board and unprop it when you don't want the paint to flow down anymore. You can rotate it in a different direction like I'm doing and just go with your instincts and see where the movement of the paint takes you. So a little bit of splashes of the pink in my photo here. I'm drying it just a bit so that I lose the sheen on my paper. This is the perfect time to add some water blooms. So sprinkling a little bit of water on my paper does produce these wonderful little light spots. And I'm going to let that whole thing dry. Now I'm coming in with a chisel brush and some opaque white to make some little daisy flowers like I see in the reference photo. These are very easy to do. As you can see, I'm just literally dabbing my paintbrush to make those petals. Making a couple of pink ones, and I just want those to kind of blend into those pink areas. Don't want them to be too noticeable. Now, if you want some to blend into the background, you can just wet it. Once my paper dries, I'm taking a pencil and just adding in the stems of these flowers. So with the script liner brush and some very dark green, I'm putting in my stems. Some of the greens that I'm working with are shadow green and sap green. And notice I'm using my pinky at times in order to draw in these long strokes. It does help keep your hand steady. Now I'm taking some cadmium yellow and just the very tip of my paintbrush to put in the tiny little flower centers. So super simple and super fun and just fantastic for the spring season. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like to paint flowers, then check out this other video I have for you guys. A very beautiful flower painting that is beginner friendly.